Hi there, ZeroDiabetes Zone community, welcome back to our channel where we share tips, tricks, and expert advice to help you manage and lower your blood sugar levels naturally. Today we're diving into quick and effective ways to reduce your blood sugar levels immediately. Let's get started. Remember, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. Tip number 1. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine. Aim for at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Tip number 2. Go for a walk. Physical activity helps your muscles use glucose for energy, which can lower blood sugar levels. A brisk 15-20 minute walk can make a big difference. Tip number 3. Eat high-fiber foods. Fiber slows the absorption of sugar, preventing spikes. Include foods like vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains in your meals. Tip number 4. Take apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before meals. It can help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Tip number 5. Manage stress. Stress can raise your blood sugar levels, so practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to keep your stress in check. Here are a few bonus tips for you. Monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours per night. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to ZeroDiabetes Zone for more videos on managing and reducing your blood sugar levels. Stay healthy and take care.